In the Kickstart video, I talked about the euro versus US dollar. It's been a while since then, and we've seen some volatility as a result of Trump's speech in Davos and question and answer session. So I thought I'd go through what the technicals are saying for this currency pair now, given the movement. So let's get started. An initial reaction off of some comments from Trump was on tariffs, and that sent the dollar higher, the euro versus US dollar lower. And in the process, the price moved below the 100-hour moving average here. That's the blue line in this chart, and it tilted the bias for a brief moment to the downside there below that moving average line. However, it was short-lived, and the price started its rebound back to the upside. We later got comments from Trump saying that he wanted the Federal Reserve to cut rates and interest rates around the world to go lower, and that may perhaps led to lower yield or a lower dollar, a higher euro versus US dollar in the process. And what we saw from a technical perspective of the price move above this 50% retracement level, this 50% retracement level is of the move down from this high right here going back to December to the low price that we had in January. The level comes in at 1.04028. Remember that level, because now I'm going to go to the daily chart, and we look at the daily chart and look at the 50% retracement of the range from the 2022 low to the 2023 high. The 50% retracement of that move, of that longer term move, comes in at 1.04053. Now the price is traded above and below that level, yes, but it still is a barometer for bullish above, bearish below. It's sort of the midpoint of a seesaw. It's just a level that I look at, and I think other traders look at and define risk as well. But the fact that it's combined with the 50% off of the hourly chart increases this level is important. So being above that level is more bullish for the euro versus US dollar. Now, the high price that we saw come in trading here today has moved up to this area right through here. This area comes between 1.0432 and 1.04364, and it's defined by this high right here, this high right here, this high right here, this high right here, this high right here. All these different highs are going back a few weeks and into this week, all stalled within that level. You can see the ceiling. We did move above it in trading yesterday, but that moved up to the 61.8% retracement, found willing sellers against that level, and then use this level again as sellers place to lean, and it moved to the downside. So we return back to this old level, and the market's seeing a little pause against that level. We currently trade at 1.04215, and so now the battle is on between what I think is the 50% retracement level, that's this level right here near 1.0403, and this swing area up here. If the price were to move above this level, it's not out of the woods, because yesterday we did find resistance against the 61.8% retracement. We have this swing area up here. By the way, this swing area not only encompasses these swing highs and this low right here, but if you go back in time, you see another low right here, another low right here, another low right here, another low right here, and another couple other lows right through here. So this level was a pretty decent floor here. Yes, we broke below it here. Yes, we broke below it here, but it was a floor here, and it's become more of a ceiling over here. So this area still needs to be broken on the top side if we get above this swing area right here. On the downside, get below the 50% retracement, and it's back down toward the 100-hour moving average, where we'll see what happens next against that moving average. So that's my updated look at the euro versus US dollar from a technical perspective. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with you trading. Bye-bye now.